If you're working toward your CMA designation, you already know this exam is no joke. The pass rate for each part is around 50%, and most test takers need a serious prep system to pass. And that's why I took a closer look at the Gleim CMA review, and after testing it myself, I can say this: Gleim is more than enough to help you pass on the first try, if you actually use it. So let me break down what stood out. First, Gleim's question bank is massive and realistic. You get access to thousands of multiple choice and essay questions that feel just like the real CMA exam. So it's not just about the volume, it's the quality that sets it apart. If you're consistently scoring around 70% here, then you're probably more prepared than you think. A second, Gleim's SmartAdapt platform is truly a game changer. Let's say you keep missing questions on cost allocation. SmartAdapt notices that and shifts your study plan to spend more time on it. So it's like having a smart tutor that gently pushes you where you need the most help so that you're not wasting hours reviewing stuff that you already know. And speaking of support, this was a big win for me. Gleim assigns you a personal counselor. Not a chatbot, not a forum, but a real person who helps you plan your study schedule and keeps you on track. That kind of accountability can make a huge difference. Now, the format is super flexible too. You get bite-sized video lessons, you get digital books, audio lectures, and even flashcards for on-the-go review. So whether you're a visual learner or someone squeezing in study time during a commute, Gleim adapts. One of my favorite features is the full-length mock exams. These simulate the actual CMA interface right down to the timer and format. So it's like getting a dress rehearsal for exam day, and that kind of comfort can seriously reduce test anxiety. Here's the bottom line. Gleim gives you every tool that you need: practice, personalization, and real support. Now, if you want to see what it's like for yourself, then check out Gleim using the link below for more information and current discounts. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your CMA journey.